What's up, everybody? Happy Saturday. Good morning to all of those on the East Coast. Those of you on the West Coast will see in a few hours. I wanted to do a very impromptu video this morning because I didn't get a chance to update last night. But basically my week on Robinhood was a disaster. I could, what you say, call a trying to catch a falling knife with Dogecoin. I bought in several times on the way down. I think the bottomed out price was 4.7 cents, and that was my last trade. It's since recovered a little bit, so I've kind of covered my losses on the way down, but I'm still holding in there. I'm highly optimistic for the next run, and with Bitcoin topping 57,000 yesterday, maybe 58, I'm not sure. I think it's got a little bit of longevity yet to go. So now for my holdings for this week. I ended up picking up a couple other stocks. Actually, I followed Jason over on his channel. I'll link him below. He gave a few stock picks, so you know what? I'm not a professional. I take advice from people who are. I picked up 50 shares of DOGZ, and I picked that up for an average cost of $2.45. So right now, currently, I'm down $1.50, not too big deal. I picked up 50 shares of MOTS, which is another stock pick from Jason. I picked that up at $2.07 and currently up $5.50. I still have my 7.6 shares of BlackBerry at currently a loss of $16.59. I have my single share of Pfizer, which is at $34.40 or a loss of $8.89. My 0.8 shares of Sundial Growers, which is down $1.08, but that's only because of rounding and I could only sell whole shares last time. Last night, actually, I bought $200 of Bitcoin, and that's up now $2.85. I picked it up for 56,575 or 0.003 shares, and currently trading now at 57,397. And of course, there's Dogecoin. So as I said before, I picked up several shares over the last couple days. It has recovered somewhat from my bottom point. So I am currently down $451.81 as of today. And again, the reason why I like the cryptos is they trade 24/7. So I can trade them on Saturday afternoons or Sunday mornings, whatever, and try and make money. But overall, my portfolio for the week, I'm down just a little under 8% or 7.8%. at negative $302. So hope you had a better week than I did. Let me know in the comments below how you did. And until next time, have a great day.